Hello and welcome back to my channel. You are watching Through My Eyes Beauty, where you will find beauty through my eyes. Today I decided to go with this spring inspired look. I've been really wanting to do this for a while. This is what you're getting. Got the big hoops with the curly hair. So if you are interested in getting this look for yourself, stay tuned. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I don't know if you all have noticed, but I have been putting polls in my videos so that I can interact with you all a little bit more and actually figure out what you want to see, what type of content. Are you loving my drugstore hauls? Are you loving my lip swatches? Like, let me know, honey, let me know. Also, if you would like to subscribe, towards the end of my videos, you will see a little bubble that pops up at the end with my face. That will just click on that and it'll allow you to subscribe. And you will also find my videos or my past videos as well that you may like. So again, I would love to have feedback from you all. And if you like what you see, let me know and I'll bring more for you. Stay tuned. Alright, so this is the finished look. I went ahead and did my face off camera. For my highlight, it may look a tad bit on the ashy side, but that is intentional. I used the the Rose Glow by Revlon, and I wanted to see what it was going to do, and honestly it's not even ashy to me. It's just really high shine and something that I'm not used to. When I face on, I get a little bit of the glow, but it's not crazy. But then you turn to the side and it's like bam. And to me, spring says glow, spring says highlight, spring says healthy, spring says bright. So I had to come through with the bright highlight. Other than that, you already saw what lashes I used. For my blush, I used the Ulta Beauty Mad for Mauve palette. I used a mixture of raspberry and primrose just to kind of warm it up, give a little bit of a pink hue, and that's about it. Any other products that I use that I have not mentioned will be down in the description box. Again, y'all, if you love this look, let me know. Share the love, put a thumbs up, and of course, if you want to see more looks like this, subscribe and hit that little notification bell at the bottom so that you don't miss any of my videos. On that note, we're gonna go ahead and get out of here. Be good, be smart, be safe, and I'll see you soon.